His name Dr. Sudhakar, age is 30 years, and today date is 1st July 2024, and complain of high-pitched voice even after puberty. And the ENT finding is bilateral vocal cord in erection. There is no phonatory gap, but there is an irregular asymmetry wave bilateral, and there is no mass and lesion. I want speech sample before treatment. Say about yourself.
Good evening everyone, my name is Dr. Sudhakar Chandra. I have a very fluctuating kind of voice and I am suffering from this condition since last approx 12 to 13 years. I have came to this center with a very high hope. And
have you tried any treatment before?
Yeah, I've tried many treatment. I went for speech therapy. I also went for endoscopy at some hospitals. And once I have also done online speech therapy, but it didn't work.
Okay, we'll do the needful. Thank you so much. Post-therapy video of Dr. Sudhakar, and today date is 8th of July 2024. I want speech sample after treatment, why you came here, and what do you feel after comparing your before and after voice sample?
Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Sudhakar. And today is 8th of July. I came here on 1st of July 2024. Today is the 8th day of my treatment, and we are ending the session today. Although all other candidates' voice has improved drastically, mine defect was not that much, but I am glad that I joined this program.
What changes you observe when you compare your first day's voice sample and today?
The jitteriness has slightly reduced, but there is not much a major difference in my voice, but still that's okay.
Means any changes there or not?
A slight change is there.
Okay, fine. So we'll just compare, and those who are watching this video, if you are able to see any positive change or not, please write in the comment box. And can we use your video for awareness purpose at our social media pages?
Yes, sure.
Thanks for giving the permission, and thanks for watching. Thank you so much.